This is A1 French beginner course, lesson number 7, French sentence structure. The French sentence structure is same as in English. Most oftentimes, you have the subject followed by verb followed by the object. The subject is the doer of the action, the verb is the action in itself, and the object is the receiver of the action. For example, je mange une pomme. Je is a subject pronoun. In case you haven't watched the subject pronouns video, please watch it and come back. Je is I. Mange is to eat. Une pomme is an apple. So I is the subject, which is the doer of the action. Mange is eating, which is an action. That's a verb. Une pomme is the object. That is the receiver of the action. Je mange une pomme. Subject, verb, and the object. In the similar fashion, je parle français. I speak French. Je is the subject, parle is the verb, français is the object. Example 3. Tu aimes le café. You like or love the coffee. Tu is the subject, aime is the verb, and le café is the object. Il regarde la télévision. He watches the television. Il, subject, regarde, verb, la télévision, object. The same rule applies to the negation as well. So you just have ne and pas before and after the verb. Yet the subject, object remain intact. They follow the same. So here's a quick recap. So you would always have the subject, verb, and the object in sequence like this. A positive or a negative sentence, it's still the same.